The current coronavirus crisis is deeply affecting our daily lives, with more than a third of the world population under stay-at-home orders. From one day to the next, we've been completely cut off from social interactions and unable to run our usual errands. But confinement is even tougher for people who have to fully isolate because they are part of an at-risk group, have recently traveled, or are experiencing symptoms. For all these reasons, we've seen a lot of solidarity groups emerge in the world. But one country is topping the charts in terms of organization: the United Kingdom. A woman living in Cornwall named Becky Walsh designed this postcard and made it available for free. It details the name of the volunteers, their address, their contact information, and what they're willing to do to help. Her post on Facebook went viral with more than 5,000 likes. In an interview to ITV, she said,
"The response to #ViralKindness has been incredibly heartwarming. It's wonderful to know that people want to help their neighbours out. I think everyone wants to help in times like this. The postcard idea just makes it a bit easier to do so." And this postcard was used by local groups to spread the word. The volunteers of a borough in South London created a website to list all the local groups and help people find the closest to them. Throughout the country, there are more than 4,000 groups. In the suburbs of Newcastle, Lisa Thompson created her own support group and used the postcard.
They printed 8,500 leaflets for us, and basically for about a week before lockdown, I had a stream of volunteers come into my house, and my kitchen was absolutely covered with piles of leaflets split into street names, and I had got a big spreadsheet saying who took which street.
I talked to a few volunteers across the UK to understand how they are helping their community.
I take care of the food bank side of it. My week is spent trying to collect donations, whether it be from individuals or big organisations.
We kind of thought, let's do some shopping for somebody. So we set up a Facebook page, and we were totally overwhelmed.
We've also, as a group, set up befriending services.
So everyone in the group was kind of looking after people of their own.
We sent essentials to vulnerable people in isolation and also to the NHS.
Handing out home baking and just chocolates, biscuits, at the moment Easter eggs.
These actions require a lot of time and organisation to mobilise dozens, if not hundreds, of people. But to all the volunteers I've talked to, it's worth all these efforts.
Being furloughed from work, I had a lot of time on my hands, and it's nice to be able to give something back.
I wanted to do it mostly because I have personally a lot of chronic illnesses.
I think we just wanted to put smiles on people's faces.
Nothing other than a desire to help people who need help.
Contribute our part during this time.
Looking forward, most volunteers want to see this solidarity keep going.
All these different charities and stuff, they've been going on since before the pandemic, and their work will continue after the pandemic.
I really hope that going forward we do change as a society.
Keep it going even after the Covid-19's over. We want to just keep it going.
It is these networks and relationships that have been formed during this time, and I really think we can build upon it.
In the meantime, like many other countries, people are invited to clap outside at 8 o'clock in support of the carers.